Yes, Ethan here. I'm here for Renegade Racing. Let's go. Come on, bro. Continue. Hello? Can you hear me? There you go. Okay. Let's go. This is the stuff I played in middle school when I was doing all my homework. Dude, this is the stuff. Let's go. So obviously this is the car you start out with. And yeah, let's go. So we gotta get past 6th place or better to unlock level 2. And complete 5 front flips to win $1,000. Prepare for the race in real life. 5 front flips and 6th place at least. Okay, let's do this, guys. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Hold on, guys. Hold. I can't. Okay. What's up, guys? Hear me now? Hear me now? Hear me now? Stay alive. That's probably copyrighted. Front flip. Oh, we landed. Oh, man. Okay, let's go. Let's go. These are all cars from a movie, too. Like, you might see some that you recognize. Like that slug bug you probably recognized. Let's go. Front flip. And oh, we landed it 3rd place. Let's get better. Come on. Said slug bug, you probably recognize it. All these cars are from movies. Go. Yes. Oh, yeah. Front flip. Back flip. No. Oh, no. What? Let's go. Use the turbo. Jump. Oh. Or some of them are from TV shows, if you recognize that one. Continue. And like buy a new car, upgrade it. So this one be cool. We gonna buy it. We need money though. So I'm gonna get. Oh, this is the Bugatti. Nice. Get this. And I'm gonna use it. Can I upgrade it? Nah, I'm not gonna upgrade it. Let's go. New level. Race. So, finishing 6th place or better to unlock level 3. Complete 10 backflips to unlock the Duke. Now you probably know that TV show the car is from. See, they're all from either TV shows or movies. Specifically, all these cars in this game are either movie references or a TV show reference. So let's get started. Let's go. Come on, great day for racing. Let's go. Yeah. Woo. Yes. Oh. Whoa. Come on. Oh. Probably should use the Mini Cooper. Cause, it would've been good, better, for doing all these backflips, 'cause it's smaller. I feel like it'd been easier to land with the Mini Cooper. It's so small. You do more, never mind. But yeah, so Mini Cooper, it's smaller, so you do more backflips when I'm in the air. But this thing, it's so big, I don't have as much time to do as many backflips. So yeah, maybe I should have done it. Should I have done the Mini Cooper? Maybe not. I died. Dude, you're gonna spawn me on a cliff. Oh, maybe you didn't. Nice. Floor it. Come on, floor it, dude. What are you doing? There you go. Front wheelie? Yeah, front wheelie, dude. Front flip. Oh, yeah. I should have done a back flip. But oh well. Whoa. I didn't really care about landing it. But oh well, man. Dude, I gotta redo this just to do a bunch of backflips. Dude, I'm gonna redo this so I can get backflips. Restart. There we go. I wanted to choose my car. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ooh, whoa. Yeah. Oh, that landing. Oh, let's do it again. Oh, man, I really wanted to landing again. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's get you up. Oh, landing. Smooth landing. Oh, again at the landings. Nice. Let's go, man. We're on a roll with these landings. We're still in first place. Let's go. Come on, hit me. Yeah, put some obstacles in my way. Come on. Oh, no. Come on. Yes. Let's go. Do a backflip. It. Yes. Oh, yes. Now you gotta stay in first. Or did I get the first at least? Come on. Boom. Oh, those landings though, man. And I got the dope. It's funny to say. So you're only 2,000, but this car is pretty nice. Speedy car, loves flat terrain, not very good for stunts. Great all-round car that can also do front wheelies. Yeah. Find this car. Let's go. New level. Foot. Okay, what do I do? Place in 6th place or better to unlock level 4. Smash 35 of the 60 cardboard boxes to win. So in 6th place, smash 35 boxes. Got it. Okay, I can do this. Let's go. Ready, set, go. I think what's in reverse? It's behind me, right? No. Okay, that's another level. But there's snowman instead. Oh, yes! Oh, yes! Oh god, I gotta smash those, dude. Yes. Let's go. This car, man, is like the need for speed. Come on. Vin Diesel will be so proud of me. Let's go. Look at this thing, man. I do front flips all day, dude. Let's go. If you're watching this video, you gotta pause it. Comment below what TV show you think it's from. Okay, guess. Take a guess. I know it's from. So see if you guys know. Okay, do it now. You ready? Answer is Deuce Hazards. Man, I've seen a couple episodes of the TV show. Pretty nice. What was that car though in the TV show? Like a Chevy Camaro? I think it was a Chevy Camaro 1996. I'm not for sure. Does any like people that watch that TV show like a lot, you know, like car connoisseurs? You gotta like text me or something. I mean, not text me, like sorry, comment down below. Like, hey Ethan, yeah, that was like a Chevy Camaro 1996, blah blah blah. You know, I get what I'm saying though. So yeah. Oh, I need one more box? Aw, oh, man. Okay, let's go. Let's restart. Down. So yeah, let's go, guys. I know I didn't unlock the next level, but I still want to see if I could come in first. That'd be kind of cool. So let's go. Crash those boxes. Gotta smash these ones. Yes. It's so fun. No. Yes. Oh. Oh man. Sounds so wrong. Man, how you chip the like corner right there to the low? It's like so like it's angle you gotta get to not hit the corner, you know. Boop. Look at me. That's like the funniest thing part of the game. Look at me. Oh man, I could have jumped on it. Oh no. Boop. Oh, yes. Yeah. Yes. Boop. Oh. Wait. Okay, let's go. Boop. Boop. Yes. It works. Boop. Boop. Oh man, I love how you can jump, like just jump with the cars, like awesome. Ooh. Yes, I smashed them all. Gotta smash them all. Yeah, let's go do it. Oh, you just a Mini Cooper flying in. Flipped. Okay, so kind of want to save up. Cause when I unlocked the Bugatti, you know. Yeah, I think I'm gonna save up, guys. Continue. New level. So, finish in 5th place or better to unlock level 5. Pull back wheelies for a total of 5 seconds to win Micro Machine. Okay, never mind, I'm gonna go to my garage and do something. There you go. So, pull back. It goes pull back. Back wheelies. Total of 5 seconds to win. Okay, I got this. 5th place and a back wheel for 5 seconds. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Deet, deet, deet. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Oh, I do it. I think I did it. Nah. Oh, dude. Look at me with my back wheelies going on. Oh, man. This guy with his back wheelies. Nice. Mission 2, back wheelies. Nice, look at that. Yes. Now I gotta focus on position. Come on, come on. Catch you up, dude. Catch you up. It's just like NASCAR. Not actually. Come on, come on, come on. Gotta pass them all. Dun, 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 dun. Come on. Oh. Landing could have been a little bit better. Ooh, 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 ooh. That guy's paint job. Look at that. Boom. 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 Oh, that jump. Boop. It is so funny. You can't get over that. Oh, man. Oh, that car flipped. Back really. See, I did a little longer, too. I should get like a bonus. Continue. So, should I upgrade a car? Upgrade this. Top speed, acceleration, turbo brakes, grip, spin speed, jump power. I want to go with grip. There you go. And then jump power. There we go. Continue. Here. Speed your way down to the depths of the stunt caves. Watch out for the giant rock falls. Mission 1. Finish in 5th place or better to unlock level 6. Mission 2. Complete 4 combos to win 5K. Now let's go. Dun, dun, dun. Cue epic music. Dun, 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 dun. Do different stunts in midair to get combos. So like front flip, then back flip. That's a combo basically. Ooh. Let's do this, though. Let's do this. Come on, man. Come on. 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 Come. Come. Oh. No. Was this car for the job? No. Come on. Oh. Oh. No. Oh. Yes. Yes. No. I mean, that counted, right? I mean, that kind of counted as a. It counted it. Right? Let's go. Come on, bro. Gotta increase that combo. It counts as a combo, dude, right? No, what? It doesn't count as a combo? I might have to use a different car. This car's not built for stunts, so I might have to use the monster truck. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna use a different car. 4 combos. Okay, yeah. Continue. There you go. This one? What car to drive with average top speed and acceleration? Continue. And then this one. Complete 4 combos. Let's go. Deet. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Come on, bro. Come on. I don't understand how you're supposed to do combos in this game. Like, seriously. Is it like a front flip, then a back flip, then land perfectly? Sorry, front flip, then a back flip. Or invert, imperfect landing? An invert? What's an invert? Does it have to be in that order, like front flip and back flip? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, bro. Come on, come on. Front flip, back flip. Oh, no, there was enough time. Front flip, back flip. Land perfectly. No. Dude just rolled down the hill. Front flip plus a back flip. What? Dude! No! Why not? Let's go, bro. Oh! Oh! Yeah, see? Look at that. Black flip. No. I'm just trying to get a combo, man. Let's go. Come on. What you got on me? Yeah, see, that's a combo. Let's go. Ooh. Ooh. Front flip. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that little car jumped over all the cars. Oh, I just need 2 more. Okay. Mission upgraded. Let's see. Top speed, acceleration, turbo, brakes, grip, spin speed. Tires or like the car? Giant wheels make it good over rough terrain and can front and back wheelies. Out of the car for very fast spin speed to do front wheels. All around car that can also do front wheelies. Yeah. I'm gonna do. What is this best spin speed so far? Oh, we did turbo spin speed. Okay. Oh, cause this car's the best spin speed. I'm gonna upgrade it. So, there we go. Let's do this. Continue. There we go. Upgraded spin speed. So, it's sharply better. Spin spade. Beat, beat, beat. Let's go, let's go. Nice. Dude, oh, spin speed is way improved. Look at this, man. Yes. Oh, this is what we needed. I gotta put this in the Duke's a Hazard car. The Duke. The Duke. Man. Let's go. Let's go. This is the upgrade we needed. Combo, come on. Come on. Yes. Yes. Oh. I didn't turn the back, got a perfect landing. Then know it would have been a combo, probably. Ooh, what? It's on combo? How? Let's go. No, no, no. Yes, yes, combo completed. I was gonna stay in like better place. Good, let's get in first. Get in first. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, let's go. Boop, boop. Yes, let's go. Stugbug came in second. Let's go. Car very fast. Spin speed, emerald to do front wheelies. I'll grade this one spin speed. The Duke. Continue. Fish in 5th place or better to unlock level 7. Smash all 17 snowmen to unlock Mr. Woofy. Let's go. Deep. This is a snowman I was talking about. I'm just gonna press reverse and see what happens. Oh, I didn't think about this. How like you're gonna spin up. Why did I go in reverse? Did I spin out? Wait, what? No, I wanna go in reverse, man. Here we go. I'm a Challenger 1996. I'm not scared to get laughed. Where's the snowman? There's a snowman back there, isn't there? Huh. Oh well. I guess they got rid of it. You know? Oh well. Boom! Oh, landed! Man. Oh, you don't even know. No. You don't even know. Oh, look at this, man. Oh, yeah. See, I did that. That's how good of a driver I am. Subscribe. Dun, dun, dun. So that flag on the back of the Dukes of Hazzard car, that's the Confederate flag? I always knew that, but I wonder why they do that. It's like I always forget about it. Let's forget about that. I have like 2 more snowmen. Come on. Let's go. No, reverse. Reverse. No, it's right there. Oh, I had 16 more? Oh. Well, I'm gonna change my car to this guy. Just because he'd probably be better for snow. And go here. I know 5th place or better, smash 17 snowmen. Let's go. I had like 1 more last time. Let's go. Let's go. Can't beat me in this Ford. Let's go. Oh, it's like my truck's too big for him or something. Let's go. Better. No, you. Come on. No. So I just didn't care like what place I come in. I just want to get these challenges. Yes. See, there we go. Yeah. Yeah. America. Let's go. Front flip. Front flips. Yes. Come on. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do this. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's do this. Come on. Fast forward. Yes. Land it. Land it. Land it. Oh, no, that's so sick. Let's try it again. Only reverse. Reverse. Oh, I land it. Land it. Oh, perfect landing. Oh, nice. Nice. Slow down. Slow down. There could be snowmen. Nice. There were. Okay, so you gotta slow down at this point. It's gonna trick you. So you jump over them. Like there's one at the end of the ramp. Did you see that? They want me to jump over it. No, no, no. Yes! Oh, but I didn't get enough. I got like, 16. I need one more again. Oh, okay. I'm gonna use a different car. I'm going back with the Duke. The Doki. Let's go. Race. Let's go. Deet, deet, deet. Let's go, guys. Come on. If you use this car, you kind of spin out in the beginning, but you get used to it, I guess. And I guys upgrade the grip, you know. But I mean, no biggie, no biggie. Go, come on, gotta get some. Go, yes. Gotta get some. Gotta get some. Boom! Look at that. Ooh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. What's that, man? Look at that. Oh, let's see if I can land it perfectly. Oh, look at that, man. Landing. America Man. Dude, there's America Man next to me. Look at that. There's a truck. America Man's next to me, man. America Man, give me a shout out or something. If you're next to me. America Man. You're so cool. Get it, get it. Yes! Oh, we did it! We did it! Oh, I just, no, actually, no, we'll continue. Oh, Ice Cream Man! I could buy you, but I don't want to! No, let's see actually what your benefits. Great little vehicle for selling ice cream. Wow. Wow. How much is a new paint job? Oh. The Daytona Blue? Dude. Nice. $5 for a new paint job too. Whoa. I just remember what the original looks like though, so I could change it. If I to check it out. I kind of liked the old one. Yeah. Mini Cooper got all the same thing. New paint job, smart car. Probably won't use a smart car. Will I? I don't know. But it's spin turn radius thing. Let it go. New level. Vision 4 plates or better. Knock all 20 traffic cones to win 10K. 10K. Maybe this is what I was talking about though. You go reverse and you knock down. Yeah, see? They go in reverse. Look at that, look at that. I ain't crazy. Oh, what? What's going on? Let's go. Well, this car's perfect for this train. Yes. Oh, oh. Uh, go. Let's go. Let's go. How much did I knock over? I mean, not a lot. I'm probably almost there, you know? No, reverse. I don't know how much I missed. Yeah, I missed a lot of traffic cones. Look at this. Look at all these traffic cones I missed. Let's go. No. 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 Floor it. You're a challenger. You're supposed to go fast. Well, that's like a car stereotype. Like, challengers don't go fast. Like, yes, they do. Good thing there aren't car stereotypes. You know? Come on, come on. Yes. I got in third place. Let's do this. You're passing people up like it's no problem. I mostly care about the challenges. So now I'm gonna take this seriously. You know? Take this race seriously. Smart car. Top speed, acceleration, turbo, brakes, grip, jump power, spin speed. So let's go. Acceleration. Bye. Continue. Go here. Fourth place. Okay, I can do that. Let's shoot for first. Let's shoot for first. Beep. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. First place, dude. First place. Yes. Oh, what? Dude, that was like crazy right there. See, the bus can't even do the turns. Try doing a bus in this map, it's crazy. It's like so crazy, dude. Let's go. Come on, come on. Come on. Yeah, we passed him up. Come on. Come on. Yes. Oh, 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 wow. Or DeLoreans in second. But not DeLoreans in. Oh, wow. Come on, come on. Come on, pass the DeLorean at least. Come on. Oh, first. I'm in first. Oh, what? Whoa. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, that was close call, too. Oh, oh my. New record. Oh my. Let's do this, dude. Let's do this. I kind of want to save up to get it. 8K. I got 19K. Very agile car with a very fast spin speed, unable to do front wheelies. I'm gonna save up. So, because maybe I want the Bugatti, maybe I want the DeLorean. The DeLorean's pretty cool, you know? Pro front wheelies in total 15 to 1. So yeah, let's do this, dude. No level. 4 plates are better to unlock. Smash 60 of the 70 pieces of glass to unlock a Death Ink. So basically another monster truck. Another monster truck. There might be one behind me. No? Yeah, sometimes they do that stuff. Like, you never saw the cone. So yeah. Come on, DeLorean. Come on. Not DeLorean, sorry. Challenger. Let's go. Yeah. You know what this car looks like now? It looks like a Roadrunner. Look at it. Just look at it. Doesn't it look like a Roadrunner now? It's a Daytona blue. Now I just changed the color. It really looks like a Roadrunner. Look at it, dude. Just look at it. Looks like a Roadrunner now. I made this car look like a Roadrunner. Roadrunners are nice, dude. Especially the Roadrunner Superbirds. Superbirds, man. I like the spoiler on it. The spoiler's nice. Reverse. It's some glass, man. Hey guys, wanna see a trick? Look this. Yeah. There's people back there waiting on the bus. Let's go. Yes, nicked it off. Oh, oh, come on. No, no. Go. Oh, he's sliding down. He's like sliding on his back. Let's go. Whoa. Yes. Got excited. I got excited. See? I can just like jump your car like that. Like, do it. The best part. This is too steep. I might have to get let's get head start. Come on. No one let me get a head start. Okay, let's get it. Come on. And there. Yeah, it actually works. Okay, let's go. Come on. Come on. Yes, glass is smashed. Smash that glass. I smashed the glass. Okay, now I gotta restart. And actually do the race now. Let's go. You dare? Come on, I'll beat you. How much want to bet? Put money on this race, man. Let's go. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, don't get cocky. Don't get cocky. Second place. Second place. Come on. Come on, bro. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Come on. Who's in front of me? Oh, truck? Okay, that makes sense because it's a hilly terrain, kind of. Go. Let's go. A cop's behind me. Literally, look at. Oh, now it's in front of me. That's kind of coincidental. I'm chasing the cop. Ooh. Cop's flipping. No, cop's behind me. Cop's behind me. Cop's behind me. Oh. Cop came in third. Smash 58. Wait. Oh, that's this round. Okay. Oh, I was like, oh, did that cheat or something? I was like really confused. So, I kind of don't want to get this. Because I got this. Oh, is it going to be the Bigfoot monster truck? Oh, okay. It is a copy of Gravedigger, I think. This is off-brand Gravedigger. This is off-brand Bigfoot. Like in the monster truck. Like Nigel Circus, stuff like that. So let's just upgrade this Duke. Grip, spin speed, jump power. Let's see what we need for the challenge, and I'll upgrade it for that. So the challenge is finish in 4th and pass through 5 green traffic lights to win. Okay, so I'm gonna upgrade the brakes then, so I can stop in time for these lights. Let's do it. I'll be honest, I don't even know how to use the brakes in this game. I think it's the reverse button, so we'll find out. There's like front wheelie, there's so many things you do. Yeah, okay, it's reverse. Okay. Okay, let's go, let's go. Might have messed up, but oh well. Can I like drift or something? Cause my brakes are fully upgraded. It's like, not just but like just do burnout. Oh, what? No, okay, go, let's go. Yes, let's do it. Yay, let's go. That's part of the challenge. Yes, land it. Oh, dude, that's perfect. The Bugatti's behind me. I outran the Bugatti in this game. Look at that. Oh, Bugatti passed me. Of course. You know, I could put money on that. I could have told you it was going to pass me. Ooh, ooh, come on, come on. Yeah. The Bugatti's not doing the challenge, dude. Just doing the race. Real well, you know. When I actually do the race and not the challenge, my challenge to myself should be to beat the Bugatti in this game. With the Duke. So, which is basically, I think, a Challenger 1996. Now, I know you're saying, you're using this as a video game. physics don't apply. But still, it's a cool challenge, kinda. So, let's do it. And the Bugatti is actually the fastest car in this game, of course, you know. So, yeah, let's do it. Let's try to beat the Bugatti in this game. Yeah, let's do it. Gotta get this traffic light challenge first, though. And then I wanna race the Bugatti. Okay, there, pass through that light. Oh no. Okay, maybe. There we go. Comment down below if you think older cars are better. Like, older cars, just they had the stuff, man. Those are good cars back then. Oh, and one more. See, I knew I missed one. So, yeah, comment down below if you think they had better cars back in the old days. Like, the 90 cars. Do you think, comment down below if you think those were better. Come on, to green. Yes! Okay, let's go. I mean, some of the 90 cars are better. Like, these seem like the older Jeep Karaoke and the newer Jeep Karaoke. I know I'm saying it wrong, so that's how I call it, okay? But yeah. Just comment down below if you think the older cars are better. And just look better or something. Oh! Oh! Yes, yes, pass the green light. Yes! Okay. 3 more, just need 3 more. Land it, land it! Oh! Oh, perfect landing, dude. Perfect. Let's go. Front flip. Oh! Dude, dude, dude. Dude, dude, dude. Go, let's go. Yes! Let's go. Yes! Oh, I did a wheelie. Let's go. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. I don't know how you're working with green lights on E, but come on. Come on. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Let's go. Come on. Come on. This is a tense race. Wait for the new race in the Bugatti, man. Ah, oh, man. Come on. Yes. No, what? It turned red again. There we go. Okay, let's go. Yeah, 2 more, I think. Oh, okay, let's go, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Yes, yes. Oh, it's barely. Oh. Oh, watch me dab, dab, dab. Let's go. Boom. Boom. What? No. Okay, I'm gonna do the challenge later. But for now, I'm gonna race the Bugatti. Like you've all been waiting for. So, I'm gonna just show you my top speed. I'm gonna show you the Bugatti's top speed in this game. Here's a Bugatti. The Cuck Legendary, of course, it's like off-brand in this game. So, it is top speed, acceleration is great, it's all basically maxed out. And now let's look at mine. Not even close to maxed out yet. So let's give it a try. And if I want to do more of a challenge, I'll just use my slowest car. Which is... slowest car... is this. So if it weren't this, I'll do the... Mini Cooper next. Or is it, this thing is a Fiat? Look off-brand car is this? Oh well. But yeah, let's go. Mr. Bugatti. Come on. Come on, it's gonna get intense. It's gonna get intense. Challenger 1996 versus the Bugatti Veyron. Deet. 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 Oh, Bugatti's always off already. Ooh, Bugatti flipped. Ooh, you okay, Bugatti. Ooh, we're gonna be second. Bugatti's in first though. It's gonna pass me up sooner or later. Probably right. Ooh. Ooh, wow. Come on, come on, come on. So if I win this, I'm gonna try racing it with the off-brand Mini Cooper. Just as curiosity, because I don't know if it's off-brand Mini Cooper or off-brand like Fiat or something. So yeah. Yo, perfect landing. Let's go. Think the Bugatti's in first. Someone passed me. Go. Oh, the DeLorean passed me. Okay. And then, yeah, the slug bug too, but, yeah. Go. Oh, Bugatti passed me! Let's go. Ooh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, look at the Bugatti acceleration. Come on, Bugatti. You scared? You scared, Bugatti? Come on. Yo! The Bugatti doesn't, I have an advantage, though, because, like, Bugatti's not meant for off-road, and look at this terrain. So maybe we should do this later. Ooh. Oh, Bugatti's behind me, I just saw it. Oh, come on. Oh, no. Bugatti's in third, because DeLorean passed it up. Let's do this with the off-brand Fiat, I think it is. So let's go. With the Fiat. Continue. Race. And we got past Bugatti with an off-brand Fiat in this game. Beep, beep, beep. Let's go. Bugatti has nice acceleration. This will probably just be me, depending if the Bugatti spins out or something. It's already almost spinning out. Look at that, dude. Just did front flip. That was on purpose, too. That went better than planned. Nice. Okay. Remember first to start. Let's go. Me and Bugatti are perfectly lined up, too. Look at this. Let's go. Oh, Bugatti, look at that. Dude, it's like 200 yards ahead of me. Oh, see, it just spit out. No. Oh, let's go. Let's go. No, Bugatti. No. Oh, no, it's about to pass me, dude. Challenger. How's a Challenger not passing me? Come on. Come on. Ooh, the smart car passed me. The smart car seriously just passed me. If you want to know who'd win, a smart car or a Mini Cooper, sorry, Fiat, you know who would. But the race isn't over. DeLorean passed me. I am not surprised, actually. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, dude. Come on. Oh, this one just exploded. Ooh, let me make the jump. Oh, I made it. Just barely. Challenger passed me. I caught up. Oh, the Bugatti. The Bugatti's passed me. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. No. No, come on. Come on. No. I cannot fail this challenge. Must pass the Bugatti. Come on. Dude, did the Bugatti crash? I think. Oh, dude, it's behind me. Let's go. Come on. Oh, look, there we go. Keep it in 6th gear. Yeah, no. Dude, it's like right behind me. Oh, wow. Ooh, oh, I just needed one more light. I was even trying to get it, too. Well, bye. See you guys in this video. Drop a like and subscribe. And if you ever made this video, remember to like, subscribe. So you guys see you guys. Thanks, guys.